The universe is a vast and ever-expanding mystery. From the first moments of the Big Bang to the birth of galaxies, stars, planets, and life, this cosmic journey has spanned 13.8 billion years. But how did it all begin? What events shaped the universe into the vast expanse we see today? In this video, we will explore the detailed history of the universe, from its inception to the present day. This is the story of everything: cosmology, physics, life, and the boundless future that lies ahead. Join us on this epic journey through time and space. The story of the universe begins 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. Despite its name, the Big Bang was not an explosion in space. Space itself began expanding from a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. Imagine the entire universe, with all its energy, matter, and space, compressed into a space smaller than a pinhead. In the first fraction of a second, the universe underwent cosmic inflation, expanding at a speed greater than the speed of light. This is a phenomenon that still baffles physicists. The universe grew by a factor of at least 10 to the power of 26 in a fraction of a second, stretching from smaller than an atom to about the size of a grapefruit. In the first moments after the Big Bang, the universe was too hot for matter to form. Energy transformed into quarks, the building blocks of protons and neutrons. As the universe cooled, these quarks combined to form protons and neutrons, which would later create the first elements. Over time, these elements came together to form stars and galaxies, shaping the universe as we know it today. As the universe continued to cool, around 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the temperature dropped enough for protons and electrons to combine and form the first atoms, mainly hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the periodic table. This period is known as recombination. Before this, the universe was a glowing soup of free electrons which scattered light, making the universe opaque. As atoms formed, the universe became transparent to light. This released cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB, a faint glow that still fills the universe today and provides crucial evidence for the Big Bang. The CMB allows us to peer into the universe's earliest moments, offering a snapshot of the cosmos when it was just 380,000 years old. This era marked the beginning of a new phase in the universe's evolution. After the formation of atoms, the universe entered a period known as the Dark Ages, a time when there were no stars or galaxies, only cold hydrogen gas floating through the vast emptiness. During this time, the universe was a featureless expanse of gas, with no sources of light. But over the next few 100 million years, gravity began to take hold. Hydrogen gas clumped together to form the first protostars, and after millions of years, the first stars ignited. These were massive, hot, and short-lived stars, known as population 3 stars. These stars were the universe's first factories producing elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, such as carbon and oxygen, through the process of nuclear fusion. When these stars died, they exploded as supernovae, dispersing these elements into the surrounding space. This marked the birth of the first galaxies. Galaxies began to form as gravitational forces pulled stars together. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is part of this grand cosmic architecture. Over billions of years, galaxies merged, collided, and grew in size, setting the stage for our solar system's formation. About 4.6 billion years ago, a dense region of a giant molecular cloud began to collapse under its own gravity, forming our Sun. Around the Sun, the remaining dust and gas began to swirl and clump together. This process formed the planets, moons, asteroids, and other objects in our solar system. In its early days, Earth was a hostile world, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. But over time, the planet cooled, and conditions became suitable for liquid water to exist, one of the key ingredients for life. Eventually, life began to emerge, starting with simple single-celled organisms. Life began in Earth's oceans around 3.5 to 4 billion years ago, though the exact process remains a mystery. Simple molecules formed into the first self-replicating structures, which eventually led to the first single-celled organisms. As time passed, life evolved. Fish became the first vertebrates, followed by amphibians, reptiles, and eventually mammals. Over millions of years, mammals evolved into humans who would eventually learn to manipulate fire, create tools, and develop complex societies. This marked the dawn of human civilization. Humans are a product of evolution, with brains capable of understanding the cosmos. We are, in a sense, the universe becoming aware of itself. Over the last few thousand years, we've advanced from simple agricultural societies to global civilizations, mastering technology and science. In the 20th century, humanity reached for the stars. The Apollo missions put men on the moon, and telescopes like Hubble have allowed us to peer into distant galaxies, providing clues about the origins of the universe and our place within it. But what is the future of the universe? Its expansion, which started with the Big Bang, continues to this day. Dark energy, a mysterious force, is driving the universe's acceleration, making galaxies move further apart. The fate of the universe depends on factors like dark energy and the amount of matter in the universe. Some theories predict a big freeze, where the universe continues to expand and cool, while others suggest a big crunch, where gravity could eventually reverse the expansion and collapse everything back into a singularity. Another possibility is the Big Rip, where dark energy tears apart galaxies, stars, and even atoms. In the end, the universe's story is far from finished. Whether it will continue to expand, collapse, or cycle through new phases, humanity's quest for understanding will continue. We are, after all, made of the same stardust that filled the first stars. And so, our journey is the universe's journey, continuing onward.